Understanding grows from what is seen and tested over time. Truth becomes reliable when reason draws the line. What once relied on assumption or followed borrowed ways falls away as awareness learns through lived experience. Clarity replaces illusion when reason lights the way. Experience becomes the guide that shapes what I create. What no longer serves awareness quietly fades from view. Truth stands firm in understanding when insight feels true. Understanding grows what depended on tradition naturally lets go. I trust what proves consistent through observation and time. Confidence forms from knowing, not from borrowed signs. Clarity replaces illusion when reason lights the way. Experience becomes the guide that shapes what I create. What no longer serves awareness quietly fades from view. Truth stands firm in understanding when insight feels true. Trust what I can see. Reason and experience shape reality.